How to fix the screen not responding to touches in Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the touch issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on accessibility features, and here you will see a mistouch prevention button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after that it will increase the touch sensitivity, and after increasing the touch sensitivity it will help you to fix the screen not responding issue. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen protector, then remove the protector and clean your screen with a clean cloth, and after cleaning it, it will start working properly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update, and from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone's software is not up to date, then tap on download and install to update the phone software to the latest version, and after updating, the screen touch not responding issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.